Hello everyone, today I'm going to unbox this Care Bear, which is, well, as you can see at the bottom, that's her name, and I got her from one of my friends, and I know I said that the ceiling fan light didn't work, but one of my friends fixed it and now it works, so let me get to unboxing this, and see. There's Sunshine Bear and her again. There's more at the back. Collect them all for the 40th anniversary, I think. Okay, there seems to be more tape. She's free. Oh, the bottom. Ha! Mother Fern fell. Let me just put you back up. Okay, now she is free. Okay. The other foot has that too. Tape on me. Oh wait, same as her head too. Which what kept her to stick the box. Okay, I got her on now. She's free, and here she is. Pretty small, actually. Cute little Care Bear. And just turn her around so you guys can see. Look, she even has the same thing as the other Care Bears. I don't really know much about this Care Bear because I have never seen her in the show or any of the new series. So, yeah. But here she is now in my house. Yay! And that was it for this unboxing video. So, be sure to like and subscribe. Hit the bell for notifications and share this video with a friend. so they can do the same thing too. So yeah,